If you're new to hiking in the mountains, one of the biggest mistakes people do is to start too big. Too long route, too much gear, too big plans. Today I've been traveling up to Saltoluokta Mountain Lodge. It's 120-kilometer drive from Jokkmokk and then a boat ride over the lake. Over the next few days I'm going to stay in Saltoluokta Mountain Lodge and I'm going to do day tours from here. And to be honest, this is a really good way to start mountain hiking if you are a beginner. If you're new to this channel, my name is Matti. I'm working as a nature guide up in the northern Sweden. Together with my partner Stina, we run a small guide and dog sled company in Jokkmokk. It's just above the Arctic Circle. And outdoor life is actually what we are doing for a living for more than 30 years. It's so beautiful now. It's really beautiful, and this wind takes away the mosquitoes, and it's perfect temperature. Not hot, but perfect temperature for hiking today. Yeah, now we're heading up to Piesaure, and there we're going to have lunch. Now we've been visiting the family Kuljok in Piesaure, and we've been eating smoked Arctic char and fresh baked bread. Really good. I can highly recommend you to go to Piesaure if you are in the Saltoluokta area. Really nice. Today we had an easy day, and that's exactly the point. You don't need expedition gear for making a day like this, but you need some basic stuff to be able to make it comfortable and make it safe. And for make it comfortable, you need some mid-layer like this one, or some windproof jacket, and you also maybe need some waterproof jacket and pants if it starts raining. Some hiking boots or shoes that you are comfortable to walk in. But a day like this, you can also have some running shoes. But a hike like today can still give you the real feeling of the mountains, and without getting too advanced. The Saltoluokta Mountain Lodge is situated on the south side of the Big Lule River, or Great Lule River you may say. The parking lot is on the north side, and the mountain lodge is on the south side. And to be able to come here, you had to go with a boat from the parking lot to here. And the tourist organization, STF, organized the boat ride over the lake. So you don't have access with car straight to this mountain lodge. That's good, because then the people who come here had to put a little bit more energy into reaching it. You don't just drive up here with the car and stepping into the mountain lodge and having lunch and going to the shop and then driving away. So you have more people here who are hikers because of this isolation from the road. And I think that is really good for this place, because the atmosphere is so nice. Now I'm going to go through my gear for tomorrow and then going back to my sleeping bag. and then we'll continue tomorrow.
Ja.
Today it's much more chilly with wind and cloudy weather, but it's really good temperature for hiking, and it's nice to just hike around a little bit and look around, have some coffee and enjoying the nature. So when you're hiking around here, you just start seeing tracks from reindeer herders that have been here for ages, and you start recognize the flowers, the plants, the trees, everything, animals, birds. Then it's not a strange environment. Then this environment becomes more friendly to you in your mind, because it's a friend you see. And suddenly, as me, I start feeling as this is my home. So therefore, I think it's good to know a little bit about the nature that you're hiking through also. So it's a new day, and today it's low clouds, a little bit raining and windy. And today we're heading up to the top of Saltoluokta. Not the best weather, but that's how it is.
Really cold wind. Really cold wind.
So today we've been up on that mountain, Saltoluokta, and if you look at the map, this looked like a simple trip. But if you add the climb, because it's not flat, it's some kind of difficult terrain to hike in. And if you add that, and you maybe add some wind like we had today, and then you maybe add some rain, and you add that suddenly someone falling or get blizzards on the foot, then it's not a simple tour. So this morning when we waked up, this was in fog, and when you start out the tour like this, I don't know if we will reach the top. And I had to make decisions along the way, because suddenly it come in too much low clouds, and then you should not go up there then, because you should find a good way down. And I have a group that I had to bring most of the people back down, or at least it's good if I bring most of the people back down. So I don't want to do this tour if it's foggy or too bad weather. Yeah. So this group I've been out with, some of them are experienced hikers. They have been hiking through Sarek and they have been doing tours earlier. And some of them are beginners, as usually. And some just want to have a relaxed time, staying at the station and making day tours. And it's a really, really good way to enjoy the mountains. And the lesson I think we should take with us from this is that you should start small, learn along the way, and then go bigger. So that's the message from me. I think this is all from me. I'm heading back down to the station, trying to find my group down here, and then I will have a shower, and then I will have a dinner, and tomorrow I'm leaving this wonderful place and going back home. And I want to say big thanks for all of you who are watching the videos, and thumbs up and Patreon, all that things. Feel free to leave comments. It's nice to read your comments. And then see you in the next video. Ciao.